how to post a big video on WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to post a big video on WhatsApp status. So in order to post a big video on WhatsApp status, there's no such direct way of doing it. So however, you can upload it with the help of a third-party application. For that, you need to exit out of your WhatsApp, open up your respective Play Store. On the search box, type in video splitter for WhatsApp. In my case, I happen to install it already. And when you do that, now go ahead and select video first of all, and after that select the video that you wish to edit or that you wish to upload, and then go ahead and select trim and click the next button. When you do that, now you can go ahead and select the timing and all that. Then you can remove the excess part that you don't want it, and if you just go ahead and tap the plus icon right over here, then you can also zoom out and all that, and you can just go ahead and trim it and save the particular video to the length that you want. Then you can go ahead and directly upload it onto your WhatsApp status. So that's how you can post a big video on WhatsApp status. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.